Ferrous steel, iron, and alloy manufacturing forms the foundation of industries such as construction, automotive, heavy engineering, railways, energy, and infrastructure. Producing high-quality ferrous metals requires precise process control, efficient production planning, strict quality management, and complete traceability. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of ferrous steel, iron, and alloy manufacturing while improving productivity, quality, and operational efficiency. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement, production planning, melting, casting, rolling, forging, heat treatment, machining, quality assurance, inventory management, warehousing, and dispatch, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides real-time visibility across the entire manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced production planning enables manufacturers to optimize furnace utilization, machine capacity, workforce allocation, and material consumption while maintaining efficient production.